Okay, now let's have a listen to the snare. Okay, so what I can hear here, here. Yes. We have a top snare mic, so we don't have this sparkle from the bottom of the bottom snare, which is okay. There are different things what could be done with the signal. The signal is not bad, but we have a resonance definitely somewhere. It's not important here because I will do it in the next video. But the overall signal is okay, but we don't have like this sparkle. So the sparkle is not there. Somehow we have to create it. There are ways, but they're not like super fast to do. So here again, I would recommend you have a signal, you have all of those peaks. So when you drum replace this snare as well, like the kick, it's much easier. You have a much better sound, much clearer sound, and everything is already there because your sample is already covered with the top mic and the bottom mic. So you have a good sounding snare, whatever you like.